Being an inventive and exceptional token, Nexo can flaunt high utility, so it's nothing unexpected it has been very famous of late. Individuals are contemplating whether it merits putting resources into Nexo. And what's in store for this money? In this video, we will show you our Nexo value expectation and offer why we think it is a wise venture. Nexo specialized examination as per verifiable information. Nexo is by all accounts a cryptographic money with mooning potential. It answers well to crypto market changes and has sufficient benchmark backing to shoot up in esteem. The Nexo token right now just has half of its complete stock available for use. The digital money's market capitalization is inside the main 100 on CoinMarketCap. These things highlight Nexo having good long-haul possibilities. Here is the Nexo specialized examination performed by TradingView and refreshed continuously. On the off chance that it is giving a purchase signal, the latest thing is bullish, and Nexo's cost is probably going to ascend soon. On the off chance that the gadget gives a sell signal, the cost of the Nexo cryptographic money could go down in the next few days or hours. Nexo value expectation by specialists. Nexo is one of the 100 greatest digital currencies on the planet by market cap, so it is nothing unexpected that a lot of different crypto specialists have made their own cost estimates for this token. Here are some of them. CryptoGround.com predicts a typical estimate cost of $1.10 in a year for Nexo token. They accept that this computerized resource has a lot of potential, and they are bullish on its drawn-out possibilities. Right now, they anticipate that it should have a return on initial capital investment of more than 850% in 5 years. WalletInvestor.com is more moderate in its Nexo figure. This stage is negative on the token over the long haul and accepts Nexo's value worth will go underneath 50 cents in mid-2023. Computerized Coin Cost guesses that Nexo will have reached $3.10 toward the finish of 2022, and they are bullish on its drawn-out possibilities. As may be obvious, there are many different Nexo cost figures out there. Very much like with some other digital currency, it relies on how the market will feel in the next few long stretches of time. Moreover, since Nexo is an ERC20 token, it likewise relies upon Ethereum, yet this could be something to be thankful for. After the consolidation, gas expenses ought to go down, making Nexo exchanges more reasonable. This could be an incredible lift for the token. Nexo Value Forecast 2023. As per the specialized examination of Nexo costs expected in 2022, the base expense of Nexo will be $1.09. The most extreme level that the NEXO cost can reach is $1.26. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $1.12. NEXO value figure for January 2023. In light of the value variances of Nexo toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the typical NEXO pace of 76 cents in January 2023. Its base and most extreme costs can be anticipated at 70 cents and at 79 cents individually. February 2023, Nexo value figure. Digital currency specialists are prepared to declare their gauge for the NEXO cost in February 2023. The base exchanging cost may be 77 cents, while the greatest could reach 82 cents during this month. Overall, it is normal that the worth of Nexo may be around 80 cents. NEXO value estimate for WAC 2023. Crypto examiners have really taken a look at the value vacillations of Nexo in 2022 and in earlier years, so the normal NEXO rate they foresee may be around 83 cents in WAC 2023. It can drop to 79 cents as a base. The greatest worth may be 85 cents. April 2023, Nexo value estimate. Around mid-year 2022, the NEXO cost will be exchanged at 84 cents by and large. April 2023 could likewise observe an expansion in the Nexo worth to 88 cents. It is accepted that the cost won't drop lower than 81 cents in April 2023. NEXO value gauge for May 2023. Crypto specialists have dissected Nexo costs in 2022, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to May 2023, 88 cents. The least and pinnacle NEXO rates may be 84 cents and 93 cents. June 2023, Nexo value conjecture. Crypto experts expect that toward the finish of summer 2022, the NEXO cost will be around 90 cents. In June 2023, the Nexo cost might drop to at least 88 cents. The normal pinnacle worth may be 97 cents in June 2023. NEXO value figure for July 2023. Having broke down Nexo costs, cryptographic money specialists expect that the NEXO rate could arrive at a limit of $1.02 in July 2023. It may, be that as it may, drop to 90 cents. For July 2023, The anticipated normal of Nexo is almost 94 cents. August 2023, Nexo value figure. Around mid-2022, the Nexo cost will be exchanged at the typical degree of 98 cents. Crypto experts expect that in August 2023, the NEXO cost could vacillate somewhere in the range of 95 cents and $1.05. NEXO value conjecture for September 2023. Market specialists expect that in September 2023, the Nexo worth won't dip under at least 97 cents. The greatest pinnacle expected for the current month is $1.10. The assessed typical exchanging worth will be at the degree of $1.01. October 2023, Nexo value estimate. Cryptographic money specialists have painstakingly investigated the scope of NEXO costs all through 2022. For October 2023, their estimate is the accompanying. The greatest exchanging worth of Nexo will be around $1.15, with a chance of dropping to at least $1.02. In October 2023, the normal expense will be $1.05. NEXO value conjecture for November 2023. In light of the value vacillations of Nexo toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the typical NEXO pace of $1.09 in November 2023. Its base and most extreme costs can be anticipated at $1.05 and at $1.21 individually. December 2023, Nexo value estimate. Cryptographic money specialists are prepared to report their gauge for the NEXO cost in December 2023. The base exchanging cost may be $1.09, while the greatest could reach $1.26 during this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of Nexo may be around $1.12. Nexo value forecast 2024. After the examination of the costs of Nexo in earlier years, it is expected that in 2023, the base cost of Nexo will be around $1.64. The most extreme expected NEXO cost might be around $1.95. By and large, the exchanging cost may be $1.70 in 2023. Nexo value expectation 2025. In light of the specialized examination by cryptographic money specialists in regards to the costs of Nexo in 2024, NEXO is supposed to have the accompanying least and most extreme costs, about $2.29 and $2.86 separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is $2.37. Nexo value forecast 2026. The specialists in the field of cryptographic money have dissected the costs of Nexo and their changes during the earlier years. It is expected that in 2025, the base NEXO cost could drop to $3.26, while its greatest can reach $3.95. Overall, the exchanging cost will be around $3.38. Nexo value expectation 2027. In light of the examination of the expenses of Nexo by crypto specialists, the accompanying most extreme and least NEXO costs are normal in 2026, $5.75 and $4.89. By and large, it will be exchanged at $5.06. Nexo value expectation 2028. Crypto specialists are continually breaking down the variances of Nexo. In light of their forecasts, the assessed typical NEXO cost